Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, and pip. Next, register a Fyers developer app to get API key and secret. This is required to request tokens. Once done, install the needed packages, requests and WebSockets, or the official Fyers client if available. Make sure to set a redirect URI matching the app, then create a secure local file for client ID and secret. These first steps let you programmatically request the authorization code and proceed to token exchange. Now perform authorization. Build the Fyers auth URL with client ID and redirect URI, then open it so you can log in and approve the app. After approval, capture the authorization code from the redirect. Next, post a token request with client ID, secret, and grant type equals authorization code to exchange the code for access and refresh tokens. Once you have tokens, persist them in an encrypted file or environment variable, and implement a refresh routine that uses the refresh token to request new access tokens. Finally, integrate tokens into your Python code. Set authorization, bearer access token for REST endpoints, and initialize the WebSocket client with the app ID and token for streaming. Test with simple calls like profile or quote to validate connectivity. If you run into failures, first check token expiry and refresh logic, then confirm client ID and redirect URI, match the developer app. Also inspect returned error payloads for specific codes. These guide whether you need to reauthorize, correct scopes, or handle rate limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.